I'm using Goehner's heavy-duty bicycle service rack. It's made to hold 100 pounds, and right now it has my 90-pound Aipas M1 Pro e-bike on it. It's doing very well. It's very sturdy. Right now I actually have the front wheel resting on the ground for some additional support. It includes this handlebar stabilizer, which I like very much. That's a nice added feature. Comes with a little tool rack, which is very nice, although I'll be working on this side of the bike over here. I'm getting ready to service the rear disc brakes, but it's very sturdy. It does have some plastic parts. This is metal. The grips are plastic, but I have it holding on the seat right now, which seems to be working very good. You can actually turn the angle of the bike, so if I want to, I can have the front seat up off the ground, which is nice. These latches down here and the holding points are plastic, but they seem to be holding it very well. And again, I can rock this back and forth and it's stable, and I feel very comfortable with it on there.